In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Convertkit email subscribe button on WordPress. In order to do that, you first need to head over to kit.com. So kit.com is the new name of Convertkit since they have rebranded. Now click on the Start Free Trial in order to sign up for an account, or click on this login if you already have one. Next thing is to head over to wordpress.com and click on Get Started in order to create an account in there as well, or click on Login in order to log into one. So as you can see, here is my Kit dashboard. So let's head over right here to the Go option. And in here, let's choose in here the actual landing pages and forms. So let's add in here a subscribe or email subscribe form. I already have it right here, which is this popular form. If you want, you can also just create new. So you can proceed to click on these three dots and click on this edit, and you should be able to see that we have in here the email subscribe. If you want to add it, what we can do is we can click on this embed right here, choosing here WordPress, and you will have in here this. So as you can see, you need to download and install the Kit WordPress plugin in order to easily embed this. You can also use in here JavaScript as well as HTML. So if you have a paid plan on WordPress, you can utilize the Kit WordPress plugin. But if you only have a free plan, you can use the HTML. On this case, I'll use HTML, and let me head over and copy this. Then into your WordPress, proceed to actually add right here in the HTML icon. Click on this plus, and then from in there, click on this search and search in here for HTML. Just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. I'll put it right here. Once it's been added, you just need to write in here the HTML. So click on the Control V on your keyboard. Then after that, click on Preview. And as you can see, we have now our email sign up form. You can proceed to save that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.